Hi guys, I am in Embrilliance Essentials right now, and what I want to show you is how to add a color stop. Now, one issue with this design is that we don't have the ability, in a very obvious way, to independently move these bars because they are the same color. So I can select each one of these flowers and move them up, and I can move up all of them. But I can move, but I can't move these three. I can't move them apart anymore because they're digitized as the same color. I did not believe that there was a way around this, but there actually is. So let's take a look at the stitch simulator. And the first color that's going to be stitched out is the dark green, so the stems. If we just kind of drag the cursor, we watch it stitch out. Once we get to the point where we're done with that third stem, right there, then we're going to add a color stop. And I can change it to a different color. So let's make it something very obviously different. I'll make it gravel. Okay. Now I have my stems as different colors, so I can move them independently. I can take these three, bring them up if I want. And now I can do the same trick with these bars. So when I go to the very light turquoise and get to the part where I'm done with that first bar, oh, not quite, that looks perfect. And I'll add a color stop again, pick a different color, we'll do something obvious, okay. And now I have this as a different element and I can move it apart. So here's my stitch order. Now if we watch the stitch simulator, we're doing the green, then it does a color stop. If I want to make it all stitched together, let's take these stems, I'll select them both. I will change that gravel to something in my palette, which is a bright green. Okay. And then I will take my bars, that black bar that I made, and also make it that light teal. Okay. And if I save this now, save the stitch file as a tulip revised, what will happen is that it will all stitch together. Now wait before I do that, what I want to do, I'm going to right click on each of these color stops, and right now keep color stop is not checked, and that's exactly what I want. So right click, okay. Now if I save this, let's see what happens. We'll do file, save stitch file as, and we'll call this tulip revised. All right, let's close it and open it back up. File, open, and we have tulip revised. Okay, and look at that. Those dark greens are brought back together. My machine's going to do it all continuously, but I've achieved that extra space that I wanted. So that's how to add a color stub and to break apart elements that are digitized together to give us control. And this is just done with Embrilliance Essentials.